everyone from Chef Jackie Hinton. I want to welcome y'all to my dinner tonight. Today I have cabbage, rosemary roasted potatoes, Mexican lasagna, Mexican roasted corn, my rotisserie chicken. I got my acorn squash with raisins, cranberry wild rice, sweet potatoes with walnuts in it, collard greens, Italian salad. This is my flank steak, marinated in some Dijon mustard, and my Waldorf turkey salad. I want to thank y'all for coming here. Eat up. Y'all can come over next year. Make sure you have a reservation first. Good night.